This week we're here in San Diego with Tricia Craven-Worley, who's a garden expert. And Tricia, no matter what part of the country you're in, I just love vines like this.
Vines work so well. This is a honeysuckle vine, and the homeowners have gotten it trained up against this nice lattice. And down here they also have a wonderful rose vine. A lot of people don't think of roses as vines, but this is an old variety of Mrs. Banks, and they've used these little ties, and they're beginning to train it. We'll have to tame that one in just a second.
Now, what about that? What about taming the vines to where they grow where you want them to grow? What's involved in that?
Well, that's a very good question, because when you have a vine against a trellis like this, you are going to have to do something to train it up there. So these homeowners have used these little metal-covered, plastic-covered ties. Aside from the ties, you also have to keep, really has a mind of its own. You really have to keep grooming it.
Yeah, what about the pruning and what's involved in that? Because I know that's kind of part of the training of the plant, I guess.
Well, it is part of the training, and there's this saying about vines. The first year it sleeps, the second year it creeps, and the third year it leaps. So it's like a good relationship. You have to pay attention. You have to come out here, give a little trim every so often, just kind of check to see that everything's going okay.
I guess selection, depending on where you are in the country, is also important to get the right vine for your part of the country.
Absolutely. If you talk to your nurseryman when you're going out to purchase a vine, they'll be able to tell you what's the best one for your area.